The Southern Alberta Collegiate Institute is a place for kids to come and explore and get practical hands-on experience in a variety of different career pathways.
Our collegiate focuses on agriculture, trades, and healthcare so that we can give students the opportunity to explore what some of those careers might be.
The E3 program is an acronym for Engage, Explore, and Experience. It's geared towards grades 7 through 9 students. We bring the students in for a day and we run them through a workshop in either healthcare, trades, or agriculture. The workshops run from dissecting hearts to putting an electrical wall together to vehicle inspections, changing a tire. There's lots of engaging hands-on opportunities. The Wind Rally is one of 4 events that we host. To qualify, your school has to pick up a wind transport kit. And so it is a course and the students go through and they are assigned roles. So there's a manager, there's a logistics person, an accountant. They run a race at their school and then the winning company comes into the Wind Rally that we host. They have to build the prototype that they had originally planned. Then we race them all and we declare winners in different categories. The kids really enjoy it.
I'm Michiel Buizen. I'm the owner of 845 Spud Farms here just on the south side of Coaldale. We host several field trips a year with SACI. I think showcasing careers in our farm is very important because the kids can see on a first-hand basis which roles are involved. The technology in farming is changing really, really fast, and we don't need people to do the physical labor anymore. We need people that understand climate, people that understand humidity. We can show them a role that they could be in the future. They can sit in it, they can touch it. They go home with a positive attitude, I think.
At the junior high level, some kids think they know what they want to do, but lots of them don't, and that's normal. But once they get to high school, they have to start streaming themselves into programs and classes that will get them the results they want when they're in post-secondary. And this just gets them thinking along those lines about what they want to do, and then they can start figuring out what courses they need to take to get to that goal.
We just want to give students the chance to really explore what their aptitudes are, explore what their interests and their likes are. Be exposed to a lot of opportunities so that they can learn about themselves and what their future might be.